Ever had a hard time trying to pull out a splinter from your skin using normal tweezers? That's because most tweezers are designed for removing ingrown hair or eyebrow hair, but not splinters. Introducing DUROX Splinter Removal Tweezers. With our tweezers, you can quickly pierce your skin, grab that irritating splinter, and pull it out, minimizing the painful annoyance in no time. Normal tweezers are just too dull to penetrate skin. Our finely honed tips are so sharp they can easily pull or penetrate your skin or even pop blisters. Next, let me show you how to use it. First, pull and rotate the handle from the protective cover. Remember to sanitize tips with alcohol before use. And be sure to fold up tweezers into the protective cover after use. With these tweezers, you can easily pull out any tiny sliver or splinter by yourself. Our sharp tips can easily pierce through skin, and with reinforced handles, you can precisely grab that nasty splinter and pull it out in no time. If you're using the wrong tool, removing a splinter can be a painful process, but leaving it in could be worse. Add DuroX Splinter Removal Tweezers to your first aid kit today and make it easy to get rid of splinters.